Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your helmet off in Destiny 2. To do so, you first need to launch your Destiny 2 game on your device. Once you do that, once you're in your game, as you can see I have my helmet on right now. So to disable this, all you need to do is press escape on your keyboard first, and then go to open settings. So now head to gameplay, and under gameplay you'll see this option called helmet, which is set to always on by default. Now you can switch it to off in non-combat zones, which means you will take your helmet off whenever you're not in combat zone. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!